Oh my God! Green chemical water was poured on the father cat and the kitten from the car. Oh no, Dad Cat has turned into a green monster. But he remains a loving father, still taking care of his kitten. Everyone, let's go! Stand still. Oh no! The special task force burst into the house to take the green monster Dad Cat away, leaving the kitten helpless. Let me go! I need to stay with my kitten. The father cat was seized by the military for scientific research. The kitten followed the car carrying the father cat all the way to the chemical research station, heartbroken to see his dad taken away. Stand still, little kitten. The monster father cat became furious seeing his kitten bullied and broke the glass cage to save him. Sadly, it was too late. The kitten was harmed by the chemist.